excuse me, you tell them we've got things to do, we've got places to be, we've got people to see.
Okay. I'm full of breakfast, there's not a time to sit, and I could also do with a wee, but we're gonna soldier on. With the big tops quicker. See what we can do. Before our fast passes to do all the mountains. Oh, we got the trains out. They've got the actual Christmas train out.
See the trains.
Oh. Going to Pete's Silly Sideshow.
Cool air. Come on into Pete's Silly Sideshow.
Not open yet.
Barnstormer.
Barnstormer then.
Come on there, Happy.
My broken sunglasses.
Oh, see? Oh yeah.
Second pair in Florida broken.
It's not meant to be, well. UK sunglasses don't survive
I
in
know.
America.
I'm just gonna get cheap ones next time.
Yeah. One of those.
You wouldn't get it today.
Oh, maybe. In the Barnstormer. Oh.
Hey, turn around. Look, Mel. Back here, stop. Keep looking. Go, right? Keep looking. Hang on, I'm trying to get a good picture. Look back here.
Oh my god. Oh, that's painful. Oh my god. How are your ribs? Well,
Fine.
something not hurt.
Okay, it's really.
It's really uncomfortable.
Would you bubble make your back?
Really rickety. Go get a bottle of water.
Alright, Paige, hands up.
Time to run into Pete's Silly Sideshow.
Yes, our strollers. I've been working on the side. Again, if you have any
exciting.
strollers.
It's lovely. Oh, I think that's okay.
McDonald's leading the way. It's going to be goofy. Oh, did you wave again?
Did you?
Hello, Daisy. Hello. Thank you. You go first
Nice
one?
to see you. I like the outfit. Oh yeah, we got engaged.
Yes, we did. Is it good?
Isn't it nice? It'll be you next, won't it? Donald will propose to you.
Well,
It's about time, isn't it?
Don't think you get a ring big enough.
Lifeless Daisy. Was that even Daisy?
I know, it was a bit calm, wasn't she? Hopefully a bit more from Minnie.
Yeah.
Hello, Minnie. Good morning. Oh, the camera loves you.
Very sparkly today.
Yeah?
Yes, we got engaged. Yeah.
We did?
Thank you. For Minnie now.
Oh yeah, we did the right thing. The ladies are the
The
most...
picture with Minnie was lovely.
Oh, nah, I was like... I couldn't work out how to hold a hand because she's only got 4 fingers. It was really hard. Aww. Now these were disappointing last time, so hopefully they're a bit more lively.
Yeah.
Hi Goofy! Hello! Hi Goof, how are you? You good? What did you do? What's this? Oh yeah, I can believe it, yeah. We'll tell him. Hello, Donald.
Nice
Hello.
to see you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go.
Justin Page.
We're hoping you'll I hope you'll take note for Daisy.
It'll be you next. Daisy. Yeah.
The World Railroad is now arriving at Fantasyland Station. All passengers, please stand by to board. Monkeys, clowns, and acrobats, please report to the Big Top Supervisor.
Train. First time on the Disney World train. Have you been on it before?
No. I maybe. I don't know.
You probably have. Who have we met? Well,
Daisy, Donald, Goofy, and Minnie.
Minnie. The
Minnie
dog
was the
twice.
best as well.
Which is odd. Followed by
Goof.
Yeah. It was a weird bunch in Storybook Circus.
And then Donald, and then Daisy. She was obviously too early in the morning for her, wasn't
She
it?
hadn't woken up. She needed a bit more beauty sleep.
Yeah.
Getting from place to place is a big deal in Tomorrowland, where you might board a people mover, zip around on the Astro Orbiter, or book a flight across the galaxy at our busy starport in Space Mountain.
Remain fully seated as we are still moving. Stay seated, folks. Please remain seated as we are still moving into the station. Stay seated. Stay seated.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney Railroad. We're about to take a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way at Frontierland and Fantasyland.
One railway to another. Ready for Big Thunder?
Mountain, yeah.
It's the first of our mountain pass passes.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Kids, if any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, move them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness! Pretty wild.
Ha ha ha! Carl's gone straight for it. Is it good? Got like cookie ice cream sandwiches, cookies and cream in the middle. 10 out of 10. Good. And one snack bread each. Little birds. Enjoy your cookie sandwich?
I would love my cookie sandwich, it's so good.
What would you rate it?
10. It's my favourite snack.
Have you had them before?
Yeah.
And you loved it?
Yeah.
I'm not surprised.
They do prefer, like, I can't believe that you can get the Mickey shaped one, which is like $4 probably, and that both for snack credit. Like, I would just go for that every time, even though we had to queue a little bit.
Yeah, it was really good. It's so hot today. So 2 more mountains to do, and back to the hotel for a cool off. Let's go. You ready? Come on then. 110 minutes, but we've got Fast Pass.
Still be waiting a while more, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Let's do it again. Get another photo. Let's have a laugh. Will just made a bunch of funny noises on Space Mountain.
It's scary, you don't know where you're going.
It is really dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to do Space Mountain? No, we're not. We're just doing Space Mountain. Cut. Action.
Splash Mountain.
We're going to do Splash Mountain, the last of the mountains for the day. We get wet and then go back to the hotel.
Yeah, because we were up so early.
For Early Morning Magic?
Yeah. And early again tomorrow for Early Morning
For Early Morning Magic, Hollywood Studios style.
She's not waving back at me.
Oh,
nice to see you.
Hello, hello.
Here you go. Quick selfie.
Okay.
That's what you ask us, that's what we know. Time to get you along.
Now's our chance to celebrate the friends.
I'll let it go, a little bit for now. He's gonna go home. Time to get along. Time to be rolling along. Time to be moving around. He's looking for a little more than the job that he's heading for. A little bit of trouble that he's heading for.
right.
Is my hat wet then?
No! How did you get that one? Oh dear. I just felt it spray right in my face. Yeah. That was good though. Yeah. It'll drop. Again. We're gonna get another wet bump.
Excuse me, I've got the health situation to protect the back of my neck.
Oh, what a cool dude this is.
Oh, it feels so wrong.
Oh.
Do it.
Back to normal.
Yeah.
I've got a really wet bum.
But we're drier than that.
Yeah. I got splashed in the face.
I prefer the front row, to be honest, though.
We're getting really wet.
Yeah.
It's part of the fun, isn't it? You want us to be at the back?
I know. I didn't want to be at the front again.
Oh, okay.
Put it on tight, didn't you?
Cut to intense heat. We're melting.
Oh my god.
30 degrees. We've left a country that was like,
the
what,
whole time
8?
we've been like, oh, it's been fine, we've managed much better this year, but
Today is unbelievable.
I think because we've been out in it so long though.
Yeah, we have, to be fair. Hopefully the bus will be here soon. We'll get back to our hotel. We did have 3 mountains.
Relax.
We did 8 goes on mine train.
Yeah.
We ticked a few more things off our list. We're doing well.
Yeah.
But we really need a break.
Yeah.
I'm not coping today.
Back later for the guests.
Yes, so and it'll be darker then, so hopefully a little bit cooler.
Oh, that wind.
Oh god.